If you want to cancel your ABN with the Australian Taxation Office, here's how to do it. First, go to the official Australian Business Register website at abr.gov.au and log in using your MyGovED linked to your business. Once logged in, select the ABN you want to cancel. On the ABN details page, you'll see the option Cancel ABN. Click it. Then follow the prompts to confirm your reason for cancellation and the effective date you want the ABN to end. After you submit, your ABN will be canceled immediately, and you'll receive a confirmation notice if you can't access the online portal. You can also cancel by filling out the paper form application to cancel registration and sending it to the Australian Business Register, or by calling the ABR directly. Remember, you should only cancel your ABN if you've stopped your business activities. Because once it's canceled, you won't be able to use it for invoicing, GST, or business transactions. That's it. Log in, select your ABN, and cancel. Online in just a few minutes. Like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.